What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Timeless Steel Garage. On this turkey weekend special, we're going to dabble in all the fixings. We're going to work on the 65 Riviera, make some major progress, work on the 84 Z28, and even do some stuff with the 81 DeLorean. Stay tuned. Alright, so this time we're going to do something a little different. We're going to start where we ended, and then you guys can keep up if you want to. But for all you guys that have been waiting for 65 Riviera content, we made some huge progress. My brother and his fiance flew in for Thanksgiving, and I made him get out here and do some wrenching. So basically, that's my wife's 65 Riviera. We're the second owners, and it's rotten. It's got a lot of good parts, so we're doing a body swap onto this chassis, and we're making one car out of 5 cars. You guys saw me messing with the motor on that one before. And basically, if you see a different color on this chassis, it's a different car. So we're building one Riviera out of 5 separate cars. And my buddy AJ, I got this core body from him. I got these yellow beige fenders from California. I've got the cowl there from a different car, and I got these doors and that hood from a different car. It was quite the undertaking. It took my brother and I an entire day just to disassemble this car. It was so rusty. I mean, the amount of rust that was on the floor was ridiculous. Really, there was really nothing holding the fenders to the bottom of the car because they were rotten. But we did save a lot of parts. We salvaged a lot of stuff. So we pulled the inner fenders off the blue car. I am going to have to cut out the battery box area and weld in new metal. But the way this car is basically structured is the inner fenders bolt to the firewall of the body, and then the core support is the top rail, and the inner fenders act as kind of the lower core support. And then the fenders bolt to those, and then the front bumper and grille assembly kind of ties the front end of the car, and that's where all the strength comes from. We were able to save the upper core support, the radiator condenser brackets, the upper hood latch, the actual 65 grille, the lower bumper, basically sheet metal cover. The bumpers were bad. I was able to save the bracket off the lower bumper and the brackets for the upper bumper. But the car had a collision at some point, and basically the upper bumper got pushed in, so the brackets were bad, the linkages for the headlights were bad, and the bumper was bad. We had to cut all that off. So basically I have everything we need to put the front end of this car together, with the exception of I need a new upper and lower bumper. I got to do some metal work on that inner fender, and then we can go ahead and mock it up. And my goal here is to mock up one complete car before I start metalworking. We're not really that far off. I'm going to transfer the clamshells, which is the most important badass part of a 65 Riviera, into the new fenders. Get the fenders hung, get the grille hung, get the hood on. I got to get those bumpers that I need in, and then we'll have a complete car. And we already stole the door hinges off of the blue car. Man, these doors, I tell you what, the passenger door, I think my brother and I got this passenger door right the first time within like 5 minutes. This thing opens like gravy. The other door, we spent like an hour and a half on, and it's close, but she's still a little sticky. We got the body lines right, but I gotta keep doing some work with the hinge, as you can see. A little sticky, so I'll keep working on that. But basically I'm building the car doors forward, and this blue car here has got all the trim we need. It's got a complete interior. Obviously the carpet's nasty, but they do sell new carpet. Get these seats recovered, transfer all the interior over, and then this thing's getting pulled out to the yard. Pull the drivetrain out of it, and then make some room in the shop and get rid of this thing. But It's gonna be cool, man. If it was my car, if I was building it for myself, I kind of think it's cool to have all these different colored parts and rust and patina. I'd probably just clear coat it, but since it's my wife's, she wants to go back to the factory baby blue color, which I'll show you what that looks like here. Look at that, that's a sick color. I love those light blues like that. So that's the color we're going for. And I'm not in any rush with this car. I do have full glass on this car that we can transfer over, so it looks like a mammoth project, and it is, but like Johnny Cash would say, one piece at a time, you know what I mean? So anyways, enjoy the video. We got all kinds of cool stuff in this video for you, and as always, we'll see you next time. it's slow as fuck. So don't hit obstacles with it.
I'm fucking nervous.
You know, don't be nervous, dude. The brakes are really fucking sensitive. Like, this thing will stop on a dime. Also, when you turn the car off, the electric brakes turn off, so you'll feel like you lose brakes, but you're just losing all your electric assist.
Okay.
All right? Have fun. Go beat on it. It'll fucking surprise you how fast it is. Don't wrap it around a tree.
Holy shit, that's awesome. Holy shit. Oh my god, that is sick. That might be one of the funnest things I've ever driven. Holy my god, this thing is nasty. This thing is nasty. Nasty. This thing is insane. Insane. Absolutely insane.
Yes, brand new hood installed on this pile. Go ahead and open it, bro. You can see the third gen wobble when he tries to open it. Oh, yeah. Sick! One piece at a time. One piece at a time.